welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee. But before we get started, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I do have weekly uploads, and honestly, I would just appreciate it because you're already watching my video right now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Boop boop. Back to the video. Mielle Organics just launched their MoistureRX collection. This collection consists of 5 products, and one of them I already used, so I kind of cheated, but that's okay. I had to because it's an overnight conditioner. This is the Mielle MoistureRX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. So I applied this conditioner on my hair overnight. I let it sit, and I just rinsed it out, hence the towel on my head, because my hair is wet. But we're going to take my hair out of this towel and get into using the rest of the products in the MoistureRX collection. Y'all ready for this? I need to swivel on down so that you can see my whole head. I didn't do anything special. I went through my normal wash routine. So I started off by shampooing my hair, and then I applied the conditioner, put on a shower cap, and I went to sleep. So I'm going to take this towel off. I've already rinsed out the overnight conditioner. And look, this could be a look in itself. My hair is looking good. The first product that I'm going to use from the collection is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I'm taking a generous amount of this product because my hair tends to soak up product pretty easily. For reference, I am in the type 4 range, and my hair is extremely dense. It's thick. She thick. There's also a moisturizing scalp treatment. It comes in this tiny little bottle, and it has a spray pump. So I'm going to separate my hair with my fingers and spray this directly on the scalp. This is supposed to moisturize the scalp. It's infused with methanol, ginger, and avocado oil, giving you relief and moisture simultaneously. The mist provides relief for those suffering from dry and itchy scalp. Now that I've used the leave-in and the scalp treatment, I'll probably actually be using the scalp treatment again once my hair is dry, just because it won't be as densely packed and it'll be easier to get to my scalp. But I'm going to use a rat tail comb for this particular style and part from ear to ear. I separated the back so that it won't get in the way, and I'm going to create a middle part. I'm going to work with one side at a time. If you have like really thick, densely packed hair like mine, then you have to get creative when it comes to stretching mechanisms. And I want the front of my hair to really lay evenly. So what I'm going to do is corn roll it just to stretch the hair and lay it, and then we're going to take it out after the hair has dried. So I'm going to detangle this section before I apply the product. There is a gel in this collection. It's the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. The directions do say that the product is extremely slippery, so make sure that you allow it to dry. So before I put on that gel, I am going to use just a bit of the moisturizing hair butter. Oh, she's thick too. This is all I'm going to use because the gel claims to be moisturizing, so we shall see. This gel has a very bouncy texture to it. It seems very lightweight though. I'm also going to put a bit of the gel like around the edges and then corn roll this. It does not have to be perfect because we are going to take it out. You could also flat twist it. I'm going to braid it all the way down to the ends. Tuck that behind my ear, and we're going to repeat that same step on the other side. I'm going to use the hair butter first from root to tip and really make sure that I work the product in, and then follow up with a bit of the hair gel and do the same thing. Now that the front of my hair is done for now, I am going to wrap it so that I can set it. Lately, I have been using these styling strips. The black ones, they are so amazing. So I'm just going to pull one out and lay my edges in this section. And then when I sit under the dryer, I'm going to keep this on. Now for the back of my hair, I have some perm rods. I'm going to roll it using the hair butter only. I'm applying the butter to larger sections, but I am going to break this section down and roll it into smaller sections when I use the perm rods. This just makes it easier for me to tame the hair as I go. Once I finish rolling my hair, I am going to sit underneath the dryer for about 2 hours, and then I'll be back for the final style and reveal, along with my thoughts on the entire Mielle Organics MoistureRX collection. Hold tight. I'm back, loves. I sat under the dryer for a while. I would say give or take maybe about 2.5 hours or so. It takes my hair a very long time to dry. And then, you know, I touched up my makeup or whatever because I'm just confident that the final look is going to be great. Of course, I apply me another wrap. So we're going to go ahead and take these perm rods out, work with the front, and finish off the style. And then I'll give you my final thoughts on the Mielle Organics MoistureRX collection. First things first, let's remove these rollers. All of the rollers are out. My hair is feeling good. It's nice and soft. It's moisturized. You know, it still has some bounce to it. And it even leaves my skin feeling moisturized and soft, almost like I just applied lotion. Before I fluff this out, we're going to work with the front for a little bit. So I'm going to pull the back out of the way, take down the front. I was thinking, like, should I do the front the original way that I thought, or should I like rebraid it and make the braids really neat? So I don't know. Let's just see. So my original plan was to basically take this section and then just kind of slick it back, like down and to the side, maybe even add some hair jewelry and fluff out the back. And I'm like, ugh. I think I'm gonna do that. So we got action. This side is done. I am going to go with the original plan and just kind of slick it down. It's gonna come together. So I'm taking down the braid and I'm using the original Mielle Organics edge control. With the brush, we're just gonna kind of slick this down and back. Then once it's slick, go ahead and take some bobby pins and pin it down. Use as many as you need. I'm gonna use about 6 for the thickness of my hair. Now we're gonna go ahead and release the back, fluff it out, you know, get it big, full, popping, but try not to disturb the curl pattern that much. Just enough. Just a little bit. Hey, baby. Hair is fluffed out, but we're still not done. I'm going to use a stocking and create a puff around the rest of my hair. Now we're going to take a pick and just fluff. This little puff situation, you can make it as low or as high as you want it to, but I am going to keep it where it is. You know, it fits my head. It's looking good. My curls are popping. My hair is moisturized. My edges are growing. I'm good. I'm going to take some gold bobby pins and just add like a touch of, you know, something. That is it, guys. And let me say this. If this collection cannot do anything else, it is definitely moisturizing. Now, based on looking at the claims for the collection, I don't see any other claims other than moisture. All of the product descriptions include the word moisture, and I think that that was definitely achieved with the collection. I'm here for it. I would say that my favorite items in the collection are going to be the overnight conditioner. Bruh, so good. And for me, conditioner is an extremely important step in my routine. There is no shampoo, so we can skip over that. My second favorite is the hair butter, just because I'm just kind of addicted to hair butters. And this one definitely takes the cake because I was able to get a perm rod set and my hair is moisturized. Hence, MoistureRX. Those are my thoughts on the collection. Today it is solely available on MielleOrganics.com, so you can definitely check it out on the website, but it will soon be released at Target. So I will leave the links below for this entire collection in my description bar, and any additional information about the products or where you can find them. So check that out below. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!